Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use or buy a car in Berries Avenue RP. And so the first method of buying a car is that you can simply go to this Bugatti right here. Should be right inside the beachside with bouquet, and go ahead and click the square button on your you can go ahead and click on the square button on your controller, and you can either buy the item or that's basically it. The only way to use this one is you can buy the item. It's about 500 Robux, but if you do not want to spend Robux, the second method you guys can do is you're going to go to the vehicle section right here. The thing is, there's actually no way to access that, like using a controller. I guess it's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, there's no way to use it or access it using a controller because it's kind of glitchy. So what you will have to do is you will have to connect a mouse to your PS5 or PS4, and then you're gonna have to manually click on the vehicles, and then you're gonna have to buy a vehicle from over there. And yeah, you can not only buy a vehicle, but you can also buy a house from there as well. But yeah, thing is, like I said, you can't do it with a controller, but if you do have the extra mouse laying around your house, just connect it to your console, and then just you have to just basically right click on the mouse, and then it will start working once you get into Roblox. And yeah, and then you can just simply drag your mouse, your cursor to the vehicles and house, whatever you want to buy, and then yeah, you should be good. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.